Hello, this short video shows you how to upload your Garmin GPS data. So the first thing you need to do is insert the cable into the back of your device and plug it into your computer. Hopefully then it will pop up in the computer directory list. Let's have a look here. There it is there, Garmin GPS. Go to the GPX files and I'm going to copy the waypoint file from the trip. There it is there. So I'll have that. If you've got tracks, they'll also be in that folder. So I'm going to copy it to my local drive. Oh, it's already there. I've already done that already. Let's replace it. There it is. Okay, so let's just put that to one side and log into ArcGIS Online. It's the quickest way to view our GPS files. So let's go ahead and do that. Log in, make sure we log in with our UOE account. University of Exeter Enterprise, there's the single sign-on. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new map. And what we'll do is we'll just grab this GPX file and drop it onto the map. So I just held down the mouse button and let go of it. Wow, look at that. That is so easy. You should hopefully recognize this area. If we zoom in with the mouse wheel, you'll see all my ground control points. Have they got a pop-up? Wow, they've got a pop-up as well. So you can see number 5 is my first one. And we go down the list. So number 5 to number 32 are my ground control points. So we can measure the distance from the centre of the road. And then as we get on, I started recording GPS points on the south side of the bank. So let's have a look. Yeah, there we go, 33 to 66. And then I managed to find a way across the river. Yeah, over here. So I switched then to focus my efforts on this northern bank. So this section here is the southern side. So you get an idea of the sort of width of the channel here actually. That's going to be interesting. Let's see if I can just measure that. Meters. So how do I use that? Can I have that please? Yes please. Oh, here we go, I've got it. So we're looking at about 4 meters at this part of the river, which is, yeah, that sounds about right. So we're okay. So there's a good, an easy way to just view your GPX files straight away. If you're not sure what's going on, then you can just view them in ArcGIS Online straight away. Get an idea of the waypoint numbers that you're using. That's listed up here. You've got the date there. So it's not actually giving us the time in this pop-up, but it is a really useful way of just visualizing your GPS data straight away. So I recommend you doing that in ArcGIS Online, and then you can read the instructions for how to add them to your desktop GPS. Also, you can see that I've missed this meander bend. It was just too crazy, too much vegetation. I'd say it's probably pretty similar to how it is actually here on this map. So maybe you could digitize based on that. I did map the out bend of the in bend of the meander, so that'll be useful to you. And then I started doing this side of the river, but then figured actually you guys will be doing that and have that data. So there we go. I hope this video is useful, and I'll see you in the labs.